Selecting the glass. So first off, we'll get started with this selection by holding down Command on the Mac or Control on Windows and clicking on the layer thumbnail for the bowl. This selects all of the pixels on that layer. Now we'll change to the elliptical marquee tool, and I could hold down the Command option on Mac or Control Alt on Windows and make my intersection selection, but instead I'm going to press this fourth button here in the options bar, and that'll make an intersection with selection. So I'll just start pretty high up here, and we're going to draw out an ellipse. And then remember, if we don't have the ellipse in the right place, we can hold down the space bar and move it, and it'll keep its size. So we just kind of nudge it into place here so that we get the bottom of the bowl, which is really what we're concentrating on. Alrighty. And if you noticed, I actually had to make a selection that went outside of the canvas to make it fit into the curve that is already established by the bowl. So that is done. Let's move on to the next step.